Hello and welcome, everyone. Today is Vibe Coding Friday. We're talking about how to build AI agents and building a profitable online business. If you're interested to learn how to use AI agents, there's going to be a link down below to check it out. And we're also going to have friends of the show that will be here too, building tonight. So let me know what you're building, what kind of things that you're interested in looking at. And we're going to be doing this for the next few hours. So we're going to be building this out. Let us know in the comment section down below what you're building and what you're looking to do. And if you have any questions, we're on our secondary channel too tonight on YouTube. So yeah, that's we're working on that and building this out. Make sure if you're watching on YouTube, like and subscribe, and also let us know what you're building. All right, so we're going to start tonight building out some things. We're going to be looking at what kind of platforms we're looking at to be profitable, looking into building with AI and having a profitable business. So there's a couple different ways that we look at this. We talked about this on a earlier show, but what we're really looking at is trying to build a online business step by step with AI tools. So some of the things that we're going to be talking about and some of the things we break down, we're going to be talking about where to start, what tools to choose, and really what works best for you. So, if you're thinking about doing this, remember, look at your goals. Where are you trying to be? What kind of business are you trying to create? An agency, freelancing? Are you trying to create a side hustle, a lifestyle business? And we're going to be talking about using different AI tools to do that for what you're trying to do. We talk about AI, automation, all of these tools that are right for you. So, again, let us know what you're trying to do. Also, too, we'll talk about what's going on, but let's just get right into it. So, I'm going to be testing out and talking about a couple different tools, looking at what I would start using. And also, too, I'm going to use this no code platform, uh, DirectBase. We're going to make a directory because a lot of people ask me what kind of platforms am I using? What am I discovering? So I'm just going to create this real quick. A friend of mine, shout out to Dustin, Polymath, it always talks about this. So I'm going to start building out direct base and look at that. So we're going to sign up for it, start building, and you might see some other builders show up on the program as well. So let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to sign up for this. And also, too, we're going to be talking about a couple other platforms I'm testing out right now, too. Okay, cool. Let me put this in the chat. Okay, awesome. All right, let's start with Direct Base. So I'm going to start for free. Let's see, create a directory in minutes. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's look at this for a second. Let's name this. Oh no, docs directory. Is that too much? I'll call it docs directory for right now. We can always change it. All right. See. Let's change this and say doc selections for his favorite AI and automation tools. Create directory. Let's take a look. All right. So we have this directory. We can visit the site. Pretty straightforward. Okay. So we have docs directories, listing, super easy. All right. Now let's go into it. Let's look at this. Okay. So we have home, payments. So payments, payouts, account settings. What can it do? Let's take a look at this a little bit more. Let's take a look at some of the features. One directory included, unlimited listings, custom domains for free. Interesting. Accept payments. Okay. 10% fee of all transactions. Remove watermark, unlimited blogs if you go on lifetime. Bulk up import from CSV. Okay. Interesting. Let's take a look. Categories, and create categories. Listings, products, blog, upgrade to paid plan to access blog. Okay, custom fields, domain, branding. I feel like I'll probably have to change it like SEO optimized name or something. Headlines, designs. All right, let's see categories. Let's see. Expert. What do they call those things? Let's see. Zapier. Expert programs or expert. What do they call it? Expert directory. Let's see. Let's try to do that over there. Expert programs, maybe something like that. Expert programs. Here's a list of expert programs to enroll in for your skills. Again, we're really focused on if you're trying to make this a career path, what does it need to look like for you? Let's look at a Unsplash. Let's see, business. I guess I could even just use. I guess I could use chat. I haven't been using it to generate images yet. Take a look. See how. I'm looking for a reason to use this. All right, let's take a look. Let's see. Looking for a banner image for my directory. It should be a picture of a business scene, of an office, people crowding around a desk. Let's take a look at what it does. It's thinking about its life. Let us see. Nothing yet. It's getting started, creating an image, taking a moment. All right, let's see what it does. Interesting. Slowly, it's taking its time. It's not bad. Here's what I described too. It's taking a long time. Rate this image. Not horrible. Not horrible. Pretty funny. Gotten a lot better. Take a look. Oh. Let's just take a picture real quick. Of course, we'll experiment and make this a little bit better next time. But I wanted to see what's going on. Screenshot. There we go. I guess we could even put an icon there too if we wanted to. Let's do that. Okay, create category, one active. Okay, let's try to make some listings here. Okay, let's take a look at this. Does Gumloop have one? I think they do, actually. Let's see. So Gumloop is a platform similar to Make or Zapier that you can start automating things. And they also have a expert program as well. I'm 99.999% sure. I just got to find where it's at. Probably just Google it. Hire a Gumloop. Okay, so joining a learning cohort. Ooh, that's interesting. Apply to be in a Gumloop learning. Interesting. Starts April 7th. What? I'm doing this real quick. So you can join a cohort? Huh. All right, I'll do that. Turn on workflows. Help other companies automate. What would you want to build? Let's see. Inventory tracking systems. What else should I say? Web scraper. Automation to improve internal processes. Okay, let's take a look. Apply for this. Submit. Progress. Interesting. Thank you. Received a submission. Stay tuned for an update from us. Okay, cool. Okay. Hire Gum Loop experts. Okay, so hire an expert. You can do that. So how do you join to be an expert? So you do have that option. So they might be doing like matching internally. Okay. Documentation. Okay. So I'm just going to put Gumloop for now until they have something public. There we go. Expert programs. Automation tool to scale businesses. Similar to Zapier and Make. As you can see right here, I'm using Mac Whisper to speed up all of this stuff. All right, let's take a look here. Success. Let's see the listing. Published. Okay. I'll go back and add logos and everything to that. So I'm going to do experts. I'm also probably going to do top tools too. That way I can have my affiliate links there and everything. That's what I would probably do. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay. So we did Gumloop. Let's look at another one that we could look at. All right, let's see. Shout out to Justice for this too, mentioning this tool. Workato. Was it PaaS? Was it platform as a service? Enterprise ready AI agents. Okay. Let's see the program. Partners. Let's see. Partners. Find them. Become a partner. This. Add that right there. Okay. Expert programs. How do they describe it? Just add that. Add logos later. All right. Who else has expert programs? Flutterflow does. Sources. We have partners here. Let's see. At least one live enterprise. Partners. Create listing. Flutterflow. All right. See, there we go. All right. I don't know if we should becoming one. Maybe I'll do Zapier. Take that. There we go. Zapier. Let me put that there, here. Extract. Let's see. Okay. Create. That's awesome. Let's do a couple more SynthFlow. Academy, agency. Documentation, partners. Question is, how do you become a partner on this thing? Marketplace. I think you can reach out, but start here. Partners dot. Here we go. SynthFlow. There we go. Refresh. Okay, so I have quite a few. Published, featured. All right. Let's take a look at a couple other tools that we see here. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Reminds me of like early 2000 kind of stuff, vibes. Almost like GeoCities. What is this? Create characters? Chat with. Sorry, so it's almost like chatbots? World? What is this? Interesting. Okay. Janitor AI. Okay. Quillbot. Strengthen your writing and boost productivity without sacrificing. Let's take a look at character.ai. Sign up to chat. Another character creator. Hmm. There, I'm a gamer boy. I've been playing a lot of Lethal Company. This is interesting. So this is just like different chat. Interesting. Sono. I am a fan of Sono though. Let's do a new category. AI. Let's just say AI music, maybe. We'll just say, yeah, AI music is fine. If I can spell, that would be great. Let's take a look at that. Go. The refresh is a little bit weird here, but nothing crazy. Let's do create AI music. Probably not going to make a ton of categories. Probably going to consolidate a few for sure. Let's take a look. Gumroad. All right. Next up, let's take a look. All right, Claude, Sono, Dua Boa. What is that? AI. What is this? Is this Chinese? Interesting. This is Chinese. This is the same one. Bike dance. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Moonshot. AI. Let's take a look. Send your e-commerce sales to the moon. No code, no dev, no problem. AI wizardry to automate, analyze, and plan to execute your store's conversion process. Huh. Interesting. I'm butchering some of the names of these. Is this Haleo? Let's take a look. What do they say? Transform idea to visual with AI. Interesting. See what else we got here. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Okay. Not going to add it right now, but that's super interesting. Let's see. Poe AI. Let's see. This is a fast chat. Best chat in all. Okay, so it's like an aggregate of the other ones. A dot. What is this? Decentralized search network for AI and Web 3. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, interesting. Let's see what else we have. Eden AI. Oh yeah. This is Dominic's thing. I'll add that. We'll probably add base 44 too. Shout out to base 44. See, I better need a category for that. I'll do it a little bit. Developers, let's see. Take that. Let's add Eden. Let's edit. Listing. Update. Yeah, Eden was pretty helpful. Let's take a look. See what else we have. Totally forgot about Eden. Let's see. Poly Buzz AI. What is this? Free, private, unlimited AI chat with 20 million unique characters. Interesting. I really didn't think this was going to be a big thing. It's interesting, all these chatbots, like just personalities. Huh. How do I keep losing this thing? How does this keep happening? I don't know where I put that. Interesting. Okay. Next up. What else do we have? I spell that? What's that? More more chat. Consumer web product. This is just weird to me. Liner AI. I mean, are they just making money off of like advertisement? Try the world's most accurate AI. Outperform AI search tools, achieving. Okay, cool. Interesting. We'll keep it in the queue for a second. Kling AI. Kling AI. Available to at Imagine. Prompt ideas. Okay. Okay. Interesting. All right. It's gonna be more image generation, I guess. CIBD. Hmm. Home of open source generative AI. Interesting. All right, let's keep it going. 11 Labs makes sense. I'll add them. I mean, music, you could just, I'm probably going to add them later on. Some like best in class. Let's take a look. Nope. Craziness. Black box, AI. I got to censor some of this stuff before. Ask Black Box. Anything? Interesting. Create agent, app builder, select model. What does it say? Is the best AI agent built to transform the way you work and learn, trusted by 10 million users and Fortune 500. I wonder if it's offers a free plan, paid description. Interesting. I wonder how much they paid for this. Let's take a look. Interesting. Relatively low engagement. Interesting. Blackbox.ai. More research necessary. I'll add it so I just don't forget what it is. All right. Okay, let's add that. Let's see. Let's add this. What else do we have here? See, Monica. Let's see about this. Leverages. Interesting. So it's an aggregate, which is fine. Let me look at Bolt. Trying to see if Bolt has an agency, actually, I think, or a way for you to. Let me see about this. Hmm. See, I thought Bolt had. They were looking for experts, but I can't find. Maybe they don't have a directory right now. Take a look. All right. New category. For creating online businesses and vibe coding. Let's see about that. We'll do the normal stuff, Bolt, Lovable, all that stuff. It might be better if I just do a might be better if I just import a bunch of stuff. Now that I could probably use Gumroad for. Let's try it out. So what's the import? What does it look like? Let's build it out real quick. Let's see if we can do this. So we need what? A Google Sheet. Let's take a look at this. Let's see if we could do this. Let's take a look at Gumroad. Getting started. All right, let's go to the hub. Let's do new flow. Okay, first node. Let's see. Let's see what we can do using AI. Ask AI generated responses, perform web search with AI, analyze. Yeah, let's do a web search. Research input company and find their product launches. Drag outputs from other nodes to use this dynamically. Use them dynamically in this node. See. Auto select, quick research, deep analysis. Okay. Look for the top 10 AI platforms that allows users to create applications or create micro apps. Look at this. And let's see. You know what? No, I want look for the top. Let's see, top 25. Top 50. AI and automation platforms that have expert programs for people to join to be a service provider. That's better. Okay. Let's go from there. All right. So let's zoom out. So we have this. Let's add one more. So we have do the research, browse, replay input. Let's just connect it to hmm, yes. I'm trying to create a workflow where I take AI web research and put the results in a Google Sheet. What should I do? I already have the AI web research node. What node next? Okay, it says based on your current flow, you have the AI web research node set up to research the top 50 AI automation platforms for experts. To put these results into a Google Sheet, you'll need to add the Google Sheets writer node. Here's what you need to do connect your web researcher node to a Google Sheets writer node by dragging out, the out point of the research node to the endpoint. Configure, yep, use link, specify the sheet name. Okay. Researchers will automatically add it. Okay. Add these directly on. Now, and then it says, what is this? Google Sheets Writer. Add that onto this sheet right here. I don't know why they're going to add this one, but this one. All right, let's take a look at what they say. Connect by having an outer. Generate input outputs. It's doing that right now. When your prompt is ready, click. It says something went wrong. Find additional, join the forum. Okay, so something went wrong. The prompt of AI to research. Turn this into like, how can I make this a better prompt? I'm using Gumloop, and this is my current prompt for the Gumloop over here. How can I make it a better prompt? Below is my current prompt I'm using. see. Optimize prompt. Oh, that looks better. Let's change it. See what it does. May take a lot longer. Let's do quick research. Something went wrong. Okay. Very interesting. All right, we're going to keep searching. Well, I think we're in a good spot. Let's see about this pixel cut. Background, retouch, expand, scale. Hmm. I love these micro tools. One thing that does, yeah, it's just meant to do one thing really, or a very small thing. See, AI girlfriends, man, that's wild. How much are they charging for that? I bet. Mm. Soon. It's Clipchamp. They need to create show-stopping videos, auto captions, text to speech, resize video, noise repression, auto cat. Excuse me, auto cut. Well, it's okay. Let's see. Let's see. Interesting. Chubb AI. Don't know what that is. An A16Z thing. So it says. All right, let's see. Study X. Interesting. Ask your homework questions. Really? That's actually really smart. That's really smart. Okay. All right. So that's an interesting use case. Interesting use case. All right. Went through that section. Oh, someone asked me, what am I looking at? I'm looking at like top 50 lists of different AI tools. Seeing if there's anything that catches our fancy or anything that we should look into. Nova AI chatbot. Okay. Badoo. Search. Mm. Mastering influencer marketing with AI. Interesting. Mm-hmm. See, retake. Oh, it's an app. Face and audio. Yeah, okay. That's funny. Okay. Let's take a look at product hunt. Let's see. Products, productivity. Let's look at the AI category. Shocker. Wonder who put this list together though. Let's just look at experiments. Huh. Okay. Legal assistance. Build your online marketplace. MVP in one day. Speed build marketplace. Always. Let's see what we got here. Two-sided marketplace. Oh, it's a boilerplate. Interesting. That's cool. Lifetime. Everything personal 101, code review, self-training resources, server setup and deployment. Pretty interesting. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, very interesting. Open source. Let's take a look. Try new habits, challenges, and tools. Always like self-improvement. Let's see. Tells you a story in your own voice. Very funny. Google Maps and movies. Explore real-world filming locations. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Yesterday's top products. I just see base 44 2.0. Yeah. Boy machine. Supercut. Yeah. Supercut was pretty big. Okay. Simple AI. Instantly integrates actions with. Okay. Action kit. Okay. All right. Almost all of them are. Oh, you know what I need to start doing? I need to start looking at like breakdowns of all of them. One API to equip your AI agents with 1,000 integrations. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Pre-built apps, SDKs. Pouring build all the apps. $0 for first 7 days. So they onboard you and then they go from there. Okay. We might do more of looking at leaderboards and kind of just looking at the last, the breakdown of the last couple of weeks and months of Product Hunt. We might do that. We might do that in upcoming stream. Okay. Let's see. Almost been here for an hour. So, all right, everybody. It was great. Thanks so much for watching and checking out what we're doing. If you like this, make sure that you go over to YouTube, like and subscribe. And if you have more questions or want to see us looking at new tools, trying it out, I think I'm probably going to do like a weekly breakdown of what I see on Product Hunt, test out some new stuff. We tried Base 44 online the other day, but kind of look at what's going on here. So, yeah, until next time, thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon.